Hi guys, very good morning to everybody. So let me just share my screen to get started onto the demo. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible. And welcome to Salesforce Marketing Cloud demo hosted by svtechsoft. Myself Kumar, and yeah, let me give a little introduction about myself, and let's get started into the demo. Okay. Yeah. So myself Kumar, and I'm having around 7+ years of experience in Salesforce ecosystem, where I worked in various clouds like sales, service, marketing cloud, and financial cloud, and health cloud, and Jetorama intelligence reports. So yeah, that's a little bit of background of myself, and yeah, thanks for joining the uh, demo. Okay, let's get started into the demo, guys. Okay, and I need 5 to 10 minutes. One second. Oh, is it slow or is it fine now?
Maybe I can hear you, Kumar.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
the other folk mentioned voice is very low, so that's why I'm just cross checking. But yeah, that's fine. So
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So as I said, no. So just give me 10 to 15 minutes of time so that I can walk through the entire demo. Suppose that you can come up with your question or you can ask any kind of a questions. We will have a Q&A session at after that 20 minutes. Okay. So yeah, let's give me 10 to 15 minutes time. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So before understanding the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right, guys? So we need to understand the term called marketing. So what is marketing and why is it important and where it can be used and right? So these are the few little intro or little information that we need to understand first. Then we'll get into the what actual real world in the marketing and how we can do the marketing in the real world with a real time customers with a real time engagement. Means engagement is nothing but real time communication, sending the communications to the real audience. Like example, what we normally receive the emails from different e-commerce applications, right? Like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, or any banking applications. When you do the transaction, you might have received the communication, or some of the bank applications they send the promotional emails as well, right? So to understand those, how we can create within the SFMC and how we can send through SFMC, we'll see the overview today, guys. So let's understand the term called marketing. Okay. So marketing is the process of planning and executing your activity to promote your products and service to the customers they need. Means so anything that you have, okay, if you have a product ready, okay, then you need to do the market so that your product will be uh, available or not available, your product will be showcased to the market, and your product will be awareness, get awareness to the market so that people will know that this is something new product is launching. So people might need to get interest on your product. So that is something you have to achieve using the marketing. So early 90s or previously how the marketing is. So everybody will go in person and go or maybe conducting some concert here and there and promoting their brands. Nowadays everything is digital, right? So they can directly using the digital world, so they can directly host or place their advertisements or in the YouTube, any of the social media platforms or a Google. Nowadays you can see that, right? So that is something the market or the technology evolving. So the people is sending the, promoting their brand in the multiple channels, multiple places, correct? So that is the marketing. So why we have to do that? So unless until you're promoting, right? So no one knows about your product or no one knows about your any activity or any service that you are providing, correct? Any service or any new product that you're manufactured and you want to sell that product to the market, right? So that is something marketing is really helpful, and that is a strategy of the marketing, right? So unless until you are doing the marketing, so your product can won't be showcased to the market. Okay, so that is where marketing is very important, guys, in any business. Even when you started up on a simple business to the huge frame business. So marketing is very, very important, and a lot of folks and a lot of companies investing lakhs of millions of money on the marketing, guys. Okay, so if they're hiring from celebrities or they're utilizing any AI features, anything that comes new, they want to utilize that and they want to showcase that into their brand so that people will awareness on that particular brand. Okay, so that is about the marketing, guys. So it's very, very important in a real world. Okay, let's understand how it's used. Okay, so where are the places we can really use the marketing strategies, correct? So let's take an example of product. So you have a manufactured product. For an example, Apple you manufactured for the first time, okay, and you want and that needs to be showcased to the market that the product is ready. For an example, it's currently 16 Pro 16. I mean, Apple 16 is current version, right? If 18 is coming, for an example, next version is 18 is coming. So you should 18 product is ready. So you need to do the marketing in such a way that your product is ready for sale. Okay, that is one of the scenario where we can use the marketing, guys. Okay, not only on the Apple phone, any product which is ready and about to sell, right, or ready for sale, then you can use the marketing for that. Those kind of a scenario. Okay, another thing is prices. Price means you need to do the promotions or you need to do the communications to the audience with the competitors. For an example, any application, any product is coming or the same product comes with a different price rate, right? And when compared to the competitors, for an example, the same iPhone, same Apple 16 is providing X amount with say Amazon. So for the flip call, they need to counter that with the competitor and they want to provide little discount on that and they need to do the promotions so that people will get the people attention and high chances of purchasing that, right? So you need to compare the competitor prices and set up the levels to purchase your product. Okay, so that is in those areas also we can do. The other way around is money transfer applications. Okay, so when you do the conversions from one country to other country, so different applications, Western Union or MoneyGram or Remitly, there are different money transfer applications, right? So they will, I mean, as a marketing strategy, they have to reduce the conversion charges when compared to the competitors. So in those areas, the marketing will really help, and we can use the marketing cloud or the any marketing tools which are currently in the market. Okay, and the next one is the promotions. So as simple as self-explanatory, any brochures or any ads or any information that needs to get interest on your product. Guys, can you please mute if you're not talking? Okay, yeah. Any promotions, as I said, no. So anything that is coming new or launching new, right? Or with a coupon codes or any birthday camp. For an example, you are already a member and you want to get your the customer wants to give you some discounts, or for the first time you log in and they give some coupons, right? Some 10% coupon or 50% coupon. So for those kind of promotions also we can use this marketing line, guys. And play how and where the products are distributed to sell. So you can promote that. So these are the locations where you can collect your product, or these are the locations where we have launching the product. Okay, so for those kind of different scenarios we can use. I mean, these are some basic examples I covered for the marketing where we can use the market. But yeah, in real world there are plenty of places we can use the marketing word and marketing cloud, guys. Okay, so just these are just an example. Okay, now to do the marketing, guys, we have a couple of options, right? So we have a digital marketing in the world. We can do the communication, or we can do the marketing in the digital world. Just create a video or create a copy that needs to be hosted in the either in the website or Google Ads and all, right? So that is something on the global audience. Means it's not the personalized audience. Means it's not sending to the individual or the person who already subscribed or a person who wants to subscribe, correct? So that is something we can achieve using the personalized marketing, guys. So what is personalized marketing? It understands the customer behavior, okay, and send the communication based on their interest or their demographics and their buying behaviors. For an example, for the Amazon, you are already a member of Amazon, means you have the Amazon account. And if something comes new to the product or new product is launching by Amazon or Apple 16, Apple 18 is coming newly, which is selling by the Amazon. So Amazon people will send the communication personally to you because you are already a member, and they are taking a little more interest on that, interest on you to send the communication. Means it's very, real to the personalized. But unless until you are not a member, you will get a discount of different discounts. Or you already a loyal member, you will get a different discounts. So those kind of a personalized communication we can do using Marketing Cloud, guys. What is personalized means? It send the communication with the with your name, representing your name or based on your location. For example, for same Apple 8, 16 or 18 Pro, which is upcoming. So for that, so the US people will get a different discount, Indian people will get a different discount, correct? And Europe people will get a different discount. So that is something based on your demographic. The Marketing Cloud will send the communication or give the percentages of according to this behavior. Okay, and when and you're based on your buying behavior, means you're a buyer from the sales from the Amazon, where you buy a lot of products, and uh, your experience with the Amazon is very, good and very much rated highly. So in that cases, Amazon will send the communication with a different coupons or a different communication. So it's more of a personalized guys. Like when you do the business or when you do some transaction with that particular account, so they will and they have to loyal to your, right. So they will send the communication with a little more interest or little more extra features and extra benefits. So that is something which Salesforce Marketing Cloud does, and other technologies might not does. The digital marketing, when you compare with the digital marketing, so digital marketing is about centralized. It's about only about the broader audience. It's not taking the demographic, or it's not taking the specific to audience or specific to the customers. It sends the communication for all, same communication for all. But using Marketing Cloud, we can send the communication, different communications for the same campaign or for the same promotion. We can send the different communications to the different audience based on their interest, based on their demographic, based on their buying behavior. That is what we call it as a personalized marketing. That is something we are mainly concentrating in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, guys. Okay. Now, so let's understand the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Before understanding the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, so we do also have some of the marketing tools which are present in the real world, guys. Okay. So means there are other marketing tools which does the same approach, like which does the same marketing. Like we have Eloco, and we have a Marketo app, and we have Pardot. So there are other competitors also doing the similar process of sending the communications to the broader audience. But why Salesforce Marketing Cloud? So Salesforce Marketing Cloud as a additional or the extra features that has the ability to have the have to target the customers with a 360-degree views. Means all the possible channels, all the possible ways to communicate or hit the target audience, Salesforce Marketing Cloud does, which other clouds or other competitor tools does not have that feasibility that Salesforce Marketing Cloud has. Okay, so we have Email Studio to send the communication with the emails. We have Mobile Studio to send the communications with the mobiles to, like through SMS or through in-app notifications or push notifications, right? So all the possible channels we can target the audience, guys. We have the advertisement studios, social studios to host your post on the social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or any platforms, right? So, and we have the advertising studios like YouTube or or Google Ads. So that is something we can do. And also recently introduced Salesforce Data Cloud, which helps us to get the data from different sources and target to the audience. And that is something we can handle using the Marketing Cloud, which doesn't have the other technologies, doesn't have the same functionalities. And also we can do the customer analytics also. The Marketing Cloud provides you the analytics option to build or to generate a report out of that, what the campaign is running and how the campaign is behaving, right? So everything we can generate, or everything we can get it from the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So it has everything, guys. So we have data. I mean, we have our different um, communications of sending the communication for the different channels like email, mobile, social, and advertising studios. And we also have the our database with the data cloud. We can integrate with the data cloud and get the information from different sources and send the communication. And also we have the analytics builder, which helps us to generate the reports and the dashboards to the marketing manager to take the decision on top of it. All right, whether this campaign is performing good or not, so they can take the decision on top of the uh, based on the report or the dashboard that they are generating every now and then. Correct. So there's something Salesforce Marketing Cloud offers, which other cloud systems doesn't offer. Okay. And yeah, so little bit of deeper into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So what we have is just now what I discussed, right? So we have the channels, different channels to send the communication. We have the different reporting analytics, reporting dashboards, and web analytics to generate a report out of it. And also we have some standard apps or the connected apps that can integrate with the Salesforce Marketing Cloud with other clouds, guys, whether with the Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or Amazon Web Services, or any third-party applications. We can also do the integration and get the communications or get the data from the different sources, guys. Means external systems, guys. Okay, and also and about the data. So we have the contact builder is, I mean, I can walk you through, guys, shortly about these all steps. But yeah, it's a little bit of a glimpse that we have a contact builder that holds the contact information. Means it's a data model. So we have Salesforce Marketing Cloud has its own data model. For that we have a contact builder where we can design our data model, where how your data structure should be, and that is something we can configure in the SFMC that can be helpful for the entire Marketing Cloud account. Okay, and about the content, so we have the content means whatever the copy or whatever the message present in the emails, right? So that is something you can create in a content builder where you can build your email and you can send the whatever the email you build in the content builder, and you can send the communication using the contact builder data, means from the contact builder data model. And we have some journey that needs to be set up based on the real-time engagement. The communication will be automatically sent, or based on the scheduling, you can send the communication or you can set up the communication to the broader audience, guys. Okay, and let's see this individually in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Let me logging into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. We'll see the how the UI looks. Okay, can you see my screen, guys? Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Everybody, just confirm. Guys, can you see my
No.
Salesforce Marketing Cloud screen?
No.
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. Because I thought I shared only the PPT, but yeah, okay, that's fine.
No,
Oh,
I can
now-
only see PPT.
Now see PPT only.
Oh, that's what I. Okay, wait. Second. Let me share the entire screen. Yeah, I think now, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. So this is the screen, guys. This is a place where this is how the UI or this account where the Marketing Cloud how it looks like is something like this. Once you log into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, so this is how the system or the looks like. So we have some calendar, where you can see what are the upcoming campaigns or what are the email that you sent recently, right? Everything that we can see it from here, guys. Okay, just a second, guys. Right, so that is something we can see it from here. One second, guys. अजय moderation కింద yeah, guys. One second. Yeah, so this is the screen, guys. So this is the screen where we can yeah, so this is a screen where we can actually landing into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and this is how the different things that I talked about, right? So we have email studio for email communication. We have mobile studio for sending the communication for SMS, push notification, right? So that is something we can handle. Means for every individual channel, we have a studio, and it is having its own features where we can implement your whole marketing application page. Okay, and we have analytics builder for reporting, as I said, right? So we can generate a report from the Salesforce Marketing Cloud where the recent campaigns or recent emails that sent out and how the recent campaigns are performing, right? So that is something we can generate using the reporting, guys. So this is where we can generate a report for the recent campaigns or anything. Okay, so we have the feature to generate, and we can generate a dashboard as well from the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay, and and we have also having a journey builder where I mentioned, right? So some of the automated activities we can perform, like like sending the communications on a series of communication, like run your emails on a daily basis or every week you want to send the communication, or based on the customer engagement, means whether the customer is open, based on open behavior you want to send the communication. So those are the things we can set up using the journey builder, guys. Okay, so let me show how the journey builder looks like and how we can set up those journeys. Okay, so these are the few things, guys, which we are covering in the training and with the real-time practice example. And these automations and journeys having a huge demand in the market, and people is looking for those guys who are having an experience on this area mainly. Okay, so let me just show that how the UI looks like for this. Okay, that's very slow. Yeah, so this is one thing, and for the contact, I told you, right? So for the contact, so we have this separate data model for the contact builder, so where we can have our own data model. Means Salesforce Marketing Cloud has its own data model or the own data structure where we can build that data model as per the business logic, business needs, and we can reuse the data model in the multiple business units if we having anything. Okay, so that is something. Yeah, see, to the contact, so we have a lot of data models. We can build that data model using the different data sources. Okay, and also we have some custom integrations we can perform with the different external systems with the Salesforce Marketing Cloud and with any third-party applications like Amazon Web Services or SAP and different clouds, right? So we can have the connections or we can make that integration. And we also have the Salesforce integration with means Salesforce Marketing Cloud with Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Financial Cloud, Health Cloud, any clouds we can directly connect and get the data from the market into the Marketing Cloud from Sales Cloud and the Service Cloud. We have that functionality or features readily available for the contact builder, guys. Okay, and about the content, guys. So content means how and what the email look like. So for an example, we are receiving the email from a different applications, correct? From different things. For an example, so second. So this is something email that I sent out for the promotional emails that I sent for the marketing from the marketing cloud to the people like you guys to join the demo. So this is how I created a email and send out to the broader audience so that people will aware of what we are doing. Correct. This is one of the real-time example where we can use marketing cloud, guys. So for the SVTech is conducting the free demo, right? So we sent out the communication yesterday and like from the last couple of days, we're sending the same communication to the audience where we are promoting our brand, right? Or our services or our communications to the people like you, to the real world. We are creating this kind of advertisement. We are sending through the emails and we are sending to the different WhatsApp channels, right? Like this. See, and the different communication channels we are sending. Okay. So this is something like a marketing strategy, guys, where we can really utilize the Salesforce Marketing Cloud to send the communications. Okay. And what about this content builder? So in the content builder, so for this communication, how this email look like? What are the images we need to add? What is the content we need to create? What are the links? What are the icons that need to be added? Right. So for everything, to build this everything, right? So you need to go to the content builder and create your own copy and then schedule that email or send that email to the audience. That audience means the customer whomever you want to target or you want to send. So these are some different things we can send out from the marketing cloud, guys. Okay. So currently I'm experiencing the slowness of this system, or I'm not sure, but yeah, that is what we can do with marketing cloud, guys. Okay. So we have some Einstein features that can help us to give some email recommendations, like what is the best time to send the communications to the audience in the real world, right? So that is something we can cover using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, guys. We can handle that. Okay. So these are the different features, guys, which I'm going to cover in the training. Okay. And yeah. So this is how the UI looks like for the things and for the build journeys, right? So we have some different journeys. Let me just take the, yeah. So this is how the journey looks like, guys. Okay. So whenever you want to have some welcome journey, okay. So you have the audience to whoever is joined or whoever is newly joined. We send the welcome email first and we are waiting for 1 day. After 1 day, whether this customer is open and utilize the coupon or on the welcome email, we send out some coupon. Okay. So if we open that email, then that's fine. And we send out the other emails. If you not open the coupons, we'll send the different communication, guys. Let me just take that example exactly. Yeah, birthday coupons. Okay. So we send out the birthday event or birthday email, and we send along with the birthday email, we send out some coupon. The customer is open or redeem that coupon, we'll send the communication with thank you for thank you for utilizing the coupon, or whatever the message you want to send. Or if the customer is not redeem the coupon within the 3 days, we'll send the reminder to that you are not redeeming your coupon. Try to utilize or try to redeem the coupon, and again we'll wait for 1 more day and we'll see if the customer is either opened or not. We'll send some reminders and we'll exit from the journey. Okay. So see, these are some real-time communication, guys. Or you guys know, right? So abandoned cart. If you have added something to your abandoned cart for the purchase, if you are not purchased, right? So the Amazon or Flipkart will send the communication that something is waiting on your cart. Please purchase, like that, no? So these are some predefined templates that we have in the marketing cloud, where you can actually utilize these templates to send the communication, guys. Okay. So this is how the journey builder looks like to send the offer code or the abundant code in template. Okay. Coming back to the PPT, guys. Yeah, so those are some features that we are going to cover in the real world and in the training, guys, end to end, like from the data model point of view and how the content we can utilize and how the journeys and how the automation activities can be set up, correct? So everything I'm going to cover, and in the current market, there are a lot of demand, guys. If the folks or if the marketing cloud engineer who is having experience on this all clouds and all the studios, right? So we are good to crack any interview on good to have your profile have a good weightage in your real world. Okay. So yeah. So these are some few companies, guys, in the real world. They're really using the marketing cloud to send out their communication. Like for the solar panels, for the solar, so Sunset Solar is the company that's using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud to send their communication. Okay, and also we have some Medigen for the medical applications where this Salesforce Marketing they are using Salesforce Marketing Cloud to do it, and some Life Science Limited, some digital automation. There are plenty of uh, uh, real world e-commerce applications or any application that they are using Marketing Cloud. So these are some examples. So we have plenty of other applications also using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So for the training purpose, I just grabbed these are some few companies that they are utilizing the Marketing Cloud. Okay. So yeah, as I said, Amazon using the web marketing cloud and uh, uh, the money transfer applications, Western Union or the MoneyGram application. So these are some other applications also using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud to do the communication or to do send the communication to their audience or their loyal customers, whenever they are doing the money transfer from one country to other country. Correct. So that is another example, guys. Okay. So these are the few things and the example, guys. Now the session is open for the Q&A. If you have any questions related to the either with marketing cloud or any real-time scenario questions or whatever you have inside, you can ask now. So now the session is open for Q&A, guys. Yeah, thanks for your patience and thanks for holding 30 minutes of time to cover the demo. But yeah, now I can give some time to have your questions. Yeah, please go ahead, guys.
Can I go first?
Yeah, anything, anybody. Yeah.
Okay. I'm targeting consultant role. So my question may be a basic question, but let me explain what I'm trying to ask.
Yeah.
This Salesforce Marketing Cloud, what you explained, all these journeys and all, they are for a Salesforce Marketing Cloud consultant, right? Not actually, they don't actually do any AMP script or something.
Yeah, it's not like that. So because see, even if you're a consultant, right, you should know about the coding also, like AMP script and HTML,
Yes.
little
No,
bit of CSS.
my question is, I am targeting for AMP script role. So I'm trying to learn the basics of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So if I get familiar with what you're teaching, and then on the side, if I learn AMP script, whatever scripting language that is needed for personalized emails or whatever
Correct,
it is. So, okay. Yeah, that was my question.
Yeah, exactly. And forgot to mention, so I'm in the training, I'm going to showcase some real-time scenarios, guys, scenario-based question, guys. And also, I'm going to teach these SQL queries and AMP script. So AMP script is the coding language. I mean, see, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, out of 100%, 20% coding, guys. Don't panic or don't think in a way that so we have a lot of coding. No. So we have only 20% of coding, 80% custom, configuration, guys, like it's just a drag and drop. With the drag and drop, you can build the emails and you can do whatever you want, okay, in the marketing cloud. But for the 20% of coding, so I'm going to teach the SQL queries and AMP script where you can actually personalize your email to send the communication. Yeah, I'm going to teach that. No worries. Don't worry on that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. I mean, anybody can ask anything, guys. It's not a series of, questions order wise. Yeah. Anyone having any questions, just raise your hand and ask. That's fine. Anybody?
Hi.
Any questions?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is Sam. Hi.
Mhm.
Maybe I missed one word. So maybe you said you are going to cover the AMP script like a development part as well in this
Exactly.
session.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, yeah, I do have a same question because consultant, how much coding percentage, configuration percentage is included if I choose the marketing cloud developer or engineer role?
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I mean, see, for all the folks, we should, I mean, all the be it a marketing cloud consultant or a developer, right? So see, consultant means you are in a position to consult or you are in a position to provide the solutions to the end customers, right? Your clients. So you should know the background of what Salesforce Marketing Cloud is with the AMP script, how it is performing. So I can teach up to that level so that you can confidently explain or confidently provide your solutions to the client. Yeah. Is that answer to your question, Shyam?
Yeah, yes, correct. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Perfect. No worries. Yeah. Any other question, guys? Anything, be it related to the marketing cloud or any career-wise, any questions or how this platform works or anything you can ask, guys. I can see some questions on the chat.
Uh,
Yeah. So we are starting the regular classes soon, guys, and it would be every day morning same time, 7 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, 7 a.m.
and this is Sham again. And you said we do have many different marketing tools, right? Not from the Salesforce. Do we have any other tools like
Yeah, in the current market, so we have Marketo is the other
yes.
competitor, and see, I mean, as I said, no, so it other marketing tool has its only limitation. So, but Salesforce Marketing Cloud is one which provide and we support all the possible channels. Right? If with the Marketo, you can do only email communication. You cannot do the SMS push notification or any WhatsApp communication. Correct? So that's something you cannot do with the Marketo. That's where the Salesforce Marketing Cloud is leading in the market because every feature comes right. Salesforce is acquiring that and embedding that into the Salesforce so that we can use that resources in the marketing cloud itself in one place itself. So yeah. Does that answer your question, Sham?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Uh, so, yeah, but
And,
like if we see as a company wise, I mean, your expectation is? I know some people are working still on Marketo. One of my senior is working in Marketo, and he was a Salesforce Service Cloud and Sales Cloud developer. Now he's working on Marketo. I mean, what is the scope in the only marketing cloud if we compare with other tools?
yeah, see, if your business is limited to only email communication and certain set of
Okay.
communication, then you can stick with that marketing. But you want to explore and you want to target the audience in all the possible ways. See, nowadays no one is opening the email. It's everything in the like social media, correct? So if you want to target those audience, then you have to come to the Salesforce marketing. As simple as that. When you
Thank
want
you.
to be in
Yes.
the market and when you want to compete with other any clouds or any tools, right? So that's where this marketing cloud helps.
Is it same way like other clouds, like every 3 months updates? Uh,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like the sales cloud and same goes for the marketing cloud also. We have every quarter they are releasing the new features like the sales and service cloud. Yeah, same applies for this. It's an another product of Salesforce.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Any other question, guys?
As of now, I'm good. Maybe this is my first time join for the marketing cloud. Maybe I miss some terminology, but I will go through on the recording again.
Yeah, please.
I'll get back to you.
Sure, perfect.
Thank
And yeah, yes, guys. Again, the forum is open for the Q&A. Just utilize that. If you have any questions, please anything related to. Okay. And class timing, as I mentioned, okay, it's 7 a.m. IST. So we have daily sessions, guys, from Monday to Saturday. Only Sunday is off, and we are going to cover daily one hour to 1.5 hours, depending on the topic and in continuity of the topic. If it is any important topic or any topic that needs a continuation, I'll extend for another 30 minutes. Otherwise, daily 1 hour session, guys. Okay. And how many days? Yeah. So we are planning to, so we usually take 30 days, like 40 to 45 hours in 30 days. So we are going to complete the training in that time frame. Okay. And yeah, so this is about, guys, like in the, if you have a perception that the market is low, no, the market is now it's pretty much open for the folks. But if you're having a good knowledge on and good command of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, like with this different channels or different studios with Ansys and with automation, right? So we have very, good opportunities in the current market, and you can easily crack. And the only thing you need to do is just practice on a daily basis. So what I'm going to cover today, you have to practice and come up with the questions by tomorrow, so that you are up to the mark, right? And it's very easy for you to track it on the daily basis, right? So yeah, so we have a lot of demand, guys, in the current market. Okay. So now, yeah, no questions. So from the svtechsoft, so we are having an organization with 15 plus years of experience in the training world, guys. So we have a lot of experience and exposure into the current market. So we are almost completed more than 50 batches of Salesforce Marketing Cloud till date, and we trained more than 2,000 people, and we hired or we placed, and we have supported the our students to place in the different organizations more than the 80 to 90% of our daily batches, guys. Okay, so utilize this forum or utilize this training, guys, and try to just place hired in within short period of time. 1 month training, 1 month practice focus or preparation, and you will crack it in the next month. So within 2 to 3 months, you will definitely get hired, guys. If you follow the trainings and if you follow the practice sessions and if you follow the real-time scenario questions and the live project, so you are good, guys. Okay. So what are the benefits we are providing from the SFTech? Yeah, go ahead, guys. Sorry.
I have a question though. Sorry, I can ask later.
Yeah. Okay, no worries. From SFTech point of view, these are the benefits we are providing, guys. 4 months of Salesforce Marketing Cloud org access. Unlike Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, other clouds, it is not a free of cost. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a paid version, and it is only having a paid version. It doesn't have any trail versions. So we are buying it from Salesforce, and we are providing you guys for the 4 months of free access along with the training only. With the training fee only, we are included this, and we are providing as a free of cost for the 4 months, guys. So one or 2 months for the training, live sessions. After that, you can do another 2 months for the practice sessions. Okay, so that is something we are providing, guys. And also, as I said, no. So I'm going to cover some most of the real-time scenario questions by topic wise. If I'm covering the contact model, I can take the real-time scenarios or real project scenarios where we actually build the contact model, or where we actually use the journey builder to design the journeys for the real-time scenario questions, which is something I am going to cover, guys. Okay, so it's training from the topic level, means from basic level to the advanced level or the consultant level, where you are in a position to suggest the client or provide a solutions to the client. So that is something till that level I'm going to cover, guys, in this training. Okay. Yeah, and we are helping on the certifications as well as the resume building, guys, after completion of the training. So I'm going to help you on clearing the certification or certification guidance and resume preparation for resume building, basically. Okay. Along with that, yeah, we are going to provide the training recordings, guys, after the completion of the session in next 1 hour. You will going to receive the recording, guys. Okay, and you will get this recording access lifetime validity, guys. Okay, so that is something we are going to provide. Okay, yeah. So these are the questions, guys. These are the benefits which are providing from SFMC. Yeah, again, yeah. Sunil, go ahead with your question now. Sorry.
Yeah, so I just want to ask, you mentioned about data cloud. Is that a new cloud and is it very in good demand?
Yeah, so it's again Salesforce, another new product which Salesforce acquired. So yeah, so that is something. I mean, one of the features with the Marketing Cloud. I mean, you can embed that with the Marketing Cloud, and that is where you can have whole centralized model. Nowadays, for sales, service, financial, any cloud, they're now trying to rely on the data cloud, right? They wanted to host the data in the data cloud and process there and utilize these services in the service cloud, marketing cloud, financial cloud, correct? So same goes with the marketing cloud also. If the client is having a data cloud and marketing cloud, so client will use the data cloud for holding the data or maintaining the data model in the data cloud, and use the marketing cloud only for sending the communication, not for the data. As simple as that. Is it clear?
Yeah. Actually, I'm working on the service cloud. I'm trying to understand what is this new data cloud.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's a cloud that holds the whole data model. Means the data will come in the data model in the data cloud. The data might come from the sales cloud, service cloud, financial cloud, from the marketing cloud, or any third-party applications or any social media channels also. So it's a centralized place where you can get the data, process the data that supports in all the channels, all the clouds, as simple as that. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Yeah. If no questions, then we are good, guys. Thank you for joining the the demo, and thank you make it successful, guys. And so we are almost okay. So we are about to start this training, guys. Regular classes too soon, maybe from tomorrow or Monday. Okay. So yeah, feel free to reach out to the forum that what we have, or the channel. Please to subscribe, or maybe post your questions on that pages where we have, right? If you have any questions, okay, and please feel free to contact the number what we have in the channel, right? So for further communication. Okay. Thank you. If you guys don't have any further questions.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all.